So hello everyone. In the today's class, we will be discussing about Python booleans. So what does booleans means? Booleans actually represents one of one of any two values that represents either true or false. Means in programming, you often need to know if an expression is in the form of either true or false. So you can evaluate any expression in Python and get one of the two answers in the form of true and false, or true or false, you can say. So when you compare two values, the expression is evaluated and Python then returns the Boolean answer in the form, let me show you an example so that you can understand. So I am taking an example for you. So 10 is, and let me compare these values as 10 is greater than 9. So it is true. So now if I run it, it will show me the answer in the form of true or false. So that is called the Boolean values. If answer is in the form of true and false, so that means it is showing us the output in the form of Boolean. So now if I run it, it will show us true. Why? Because true is actually greater than 9. But when I am taking here, let me take a bigger value here, like this. So now if I run it, it will show us the output as false. Okay, so uh, when we compare the any two values, and it will result in the form of true and false, so that means the Python Python booleans. Okay, so now if I want to see that these values are either equal or not, so what we can do is we can use two equal operator. So make sure I have to get through your one confusion, that almost everyone is so much confused between these two operators. This single equals to is used for assignment that we are using now from so long, for assigning any string, for assigning any integer type value, for assigning any float type value. So when we use single equals to, that means we are storing this value to that variable naming a. But when we are using this as a equals to 67 and we 78, and we have already defined the value of a in the above side, and now if I want to compare these two values, so it will show us the it will work as a variable and it will work as a comparing. So that what I am doing is comparison operator. So now if I run it, it will show us the answer in the form of true or false, because we are comparing two values, that is 10 and 89. Means either they are equal or not, and they are not equal, so it will show us the output as false, like such. Now if we use in the both sides, let me write 10, so it will show us the output as true, because both the values are true. So don't get confused between these two operators, that is assigning operator, assignment operator, and that comparing operator. Okay, that single equals to is used for assignment, and that double equal to is used for comparison. So here I have told you about the Boolean values, that is that gives us the output in the form of true or false. Now let me show you an conditional statement also. So now if I want to see that A is equals to 200 and B equals to some other value 78, let me take, and then if I'm taking here an condition which is denoted by if. So if B is greater than A, so print B is greater than A. and I have done an error kind of things. So let me give the indentation here, because indentation is very necessary when we write any block of a statement there. Okay, so always make sure to give the indentation. So I have given the indentation here. Next, in the next line, let me write the else condition. So here if I give else condition and give colon and then print and another statement that A is greater than B, or you can write B is not greater than A. So I'm writing as A is greater than B. And now if I run it, so here A is greater than B. So it will show us the output as A is greater than B, because we have assigned 200 as a value to A and 78 as a value to B. So that's it. We will be making another program related to if